Hello everyone, welcome back to Earth and Space. Today we are going to be finishing off talking about the three different plate tectonics have already told you guys all about. Today we're going to be talking about the last one, which is our transform boundary. Now, this boundary is where two plates pass each other. That's how my hands did it. This is where two plates pass each other. This can happen underwater, on land, on the crust, anything. This can happen on all of them and it's the same form. They just pass each other like this. It's one on top of the other or one side to side, but they pass each other. Now, I'm going to be showing you guys all a picture of an Oreo experiment that I did so you guys can all see how each of those three different plate tectonics look like. I'm going to show you a picture of how converted boundary looks like, how divergent boundary looks like, and how the transformed boundary looks like. Here is my Oreo experiment that is showing you guys how each of those different boundaries looks like. So you guys see that the divergent boundary is on the top. So this one, remember, it just moves. It just means that two boundaries are together and that they separate. So just like the picture in the cookie, I'm going to show you guys with a real life cookie right here. So we have two cookies here. All this means is that they slowly separate like that. That's all it is, separating like that. Then at the bottom, we have our convergent boundary, and it's a little picture of a little mountain because these cookies are pushed together. You see how I'm pushing it up, and it's sort of looking kind of like a mountain. The little space on the bottom because I'm pushing it, pushing it, pushing it, pushing it, and it looks kind of like a mountain. That's what happens with this boundary. Then our last boundary is the transform boundary, the one we just talked about today. This one is just where the two boundaries slide against each other. So they're sliding, sliding. This one's coming up a little bit, it's sliding. So it's just moving up or down. And that is all that this is, just how in my picture right here. Take a look, guys. And that is exactly how each of these boundaries work. Now that you guys all saw my Oreo experiment, I want you guys to go ahead and just do this quick and short assignment. I want you guys to answer this question right here. And then I want you guys to go ahead and draw me a picture of the Oreo assignment that you guys all saw right there. If you guys want to do the experiment at home with Oreos, you guys can also send me a picture of that. I will accept it. If you guys don't, just draw me a picture. That is perfectly fine. If you guys do, however, have any questions or need help with anything that has to do with this assignment, please let me know. I am more than happy to help you guys all out with our little Oreo experiment. Other than that, I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye, everyone.